You, Maya? Feeding Asher?
Asher wants some more.
Asher wants more? Good job, sweetie. Good help, good helper, big girl. Today is June 1st, 2013. Maya, how old are you, sweetie?
2.
About 2.5. And how old is Asher? Yeah, hi. He's 5?
5.
No, he's 9 months. Right? Asher, did you start crawling this week? Yes, right? Yeah. Hi, mobile boy.
You love Cheerios?
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Asher, how many teeth do you have? 2.5, right? Maya, how many teeth do you have? Lots. Yeah. Hopefully 24. Maya, what's your favorite color these days? Maya. Bye. Hey, Maya, do you have a favorite color these days? Green? Yeah. And do you have a favorite song?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.